Hello, we are nearing the 1 o'clock p.m. Central Standard Time update for potential tropical cyclone number 3, which in my opinion now at this point in time, I think it will become Tropical Storm Claudette. It does look like she is beginning to organize just a little bit more. Again, she doesn't have much time to intensify as she is so close to land at this point. So the National Hurricane Center will be putting out the latest coordinates and complete update here in about 5 minutes. So I'll make sure to get that to you guys quickly. But I wanted to show you the current loop. Now the red that you see on this map, the blue dot is where I am located. By the way, a shout out to Ryan Mason out there. He is doing a good job covering from Ocean Springs, Mississippi. Let me change the pin color here so you can see where that is. Let's go with blue. So he is in this area here. So the both of us are quite up front and center to the potential brunt of this storm. So let me put this into loop. The red that you see right on top of where myself and Ryan are means we are under a tropical storm warning at this point and expected storm surge of up to 2 to 3 feet. But let's put this into motion so you can see how close these outside feeder bands are to us. All right, so I just put the loop into motion. Look at the blue dot, and you can see that the feeder bands are basically here. So let me zoom in on this. So again, I'm where the blue is, Dauphin Island, Alabama. It is 12:56 now p.m. Central Standard Time, and I'm right here on the water now. So remember that this is not going to be a huge wind event, but the storm surge can be really dangerous on low-lying areas, especially where Ryan is, and as well where I am here in Dauphin Island. So let's go outside and take a quick look at what these feeder bands are doing outside. So light rain should be accompanied by a heavy torrential rain for literally 12 to 14 hours. The forecast now is between 5 to 9 inches of rain, but let's head outside and check it out. So the National Hurricane Center just released the intermediate update for 1 o'clock p.m. Central Standard Time. The movement to the north has picked up. It is moving north-northeast at 14 miles per hour. The barometric pressure has stayed the same at 1,007 millibars, but the winds have picked up to 45 miles per hour. Now, the only reason why they haven't named it a tropical storm at this point, because it does categorize as that in terms of wind speed being 45 miles an hour plus. But there's no defined circulation at the surface. So now it's still potential tropical cyclone, but it's 165 miles south of Louisiana moving at 14 miles an hour. So it still has multiple hours for that to change. And again, the light rain has picked up here. You can kind of see the little droplets in the water, nothing crazy. But she's inching closer to shore for sure. So back upstairs, the next high tide is at 8:50 a.m. tomorrow morning. That is a bad thing. With 2 to 3 feet storm surge, maybe more, we don't know. Coming up at high tide while this storm is basically just churning rain. That's a bad set of news for Dauphin Island, Mississippi Sound, the northern Gulf Coast, anywhere from the east of Louisiana towards the Florida Panhandle. 2 to 3 feet of extra water, especially in low-lying areas during heavy rain and high tide. Definitely a bad deal. So not a whole lot of change here in terms of the 1 o'clock update, but again, as this weather starts to go downhill, you know I'll be here. So I'll do my next update if nothing has changed, I guess, dramatically at the 4 p.m. official update. So this is the 1 o'clock p.m. intermediate update, but as close as these feeder bands are, I have a feeling, and you can feel the wind picking up, and the rain is light, and with the wind behind it, it's kind of pelting me in the legs at this point. Not hard, but I can feel it. It's kind of ping, ping, ping. So it's coming. So I'll see you guys soon, and I'll see you sooner than 4 o'clock if the weather picks up pretty quickly. All right, take care. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share the video, and we'll see you guys soon. Much love. Thanks. Peace.